The Punjab government on Tuesday issued fresh guidelines for the next phase of the coronavirus lockdown from July 1 to 31, saying there will be no restriction on interstate and intrastate movement of persons and goods. No separate permission approval permit will be required for such movements, according to the guidelines issued for the period. Interstate and intrastate movement of buses will be allowed without any restriction and transportation vehicles can utilize the entire seating capacity, an official spokesperson said. He said schools, colleges, educational and coaching institutions will remain closed till July 31. Online and distance learning shall continue to be permitted and be encouraged, he said. Training institutions of the central and state governments will be allowed to function from July 15, for which Standard Operating Procedures (SOP) will be issued by the Union Department of Personnel and Training (DUPT). The state government has also allowed the district authorities to impose such restrictions as deemed necessary in areas outside the containment zones, the spokesperson said. Prohibition on cinema halls, gymnasiums, swimming pools, entertainment parks, theaters, bars, auditoriums, assembly halls and similar places will continue. The spokesperson further said the restrictions will remain in force in the containment zones till July 31 and such zones will be demarcated by the district authorities as per the guidelines of the Union Ministry of Health Family Welfare, MOHFW. Only essential activities shall be permitted in the containment zones, said the spokesperson. The movement of individuals for all non-essential activities will remain prohibited between 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. throughout the state. Restaurants were allowed to open till 9 p.m. with 50% occupancy or 50 guests, whichever is less. Liquor can be served provided the restaurant has a valid permission from the excise department. However, the bars shall remain closed, said the spokesperson. All shopping malls and shops, including those in main bazaars in both urban and rural areas, are allowed to open between 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Liquor vends will, however, remain open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., said the spokesperson. The official added that shops dealing in essential commodities will be allowed to operate till 8 p.m. on all days. Restaurants and liquor vends can be open till 9 p.m. on all days.